While I was away, Jack did the most amazing storyboard of my trip. You can see all the little red pins down on the southern part of the United States, and they denote the stops that we made on our journey. Then he had clear pins for our rest days. He had a picture of me right in the center. He has a clip with all of the weather maps from every one of our days. The most charmed part of our ride was the fact that we did not have a drop of rain during our cycling time of the day. We had 1 or 2 nights where it rained while we were in our hotel rooms, but none the rest of the time. If you look up at the right corner of this map, you will see 3 or 4 dear cards that I sent Jack from the trip. I did not do nearly as well as my family. My family kept me energized and kept me encouraged with cards nearly every single day of my trip. And that encouragement meant the world to me.